This is one of the coolest parts of the drive when you leave Utah and come into Nevada, just south of St. George. These windy canyon roads are awesome. It's the sunlight going through these canyons on a nice day just brings out this rich, deep orange and reds in the rocks. You can't see it too well today with the overcast, but I'm going to run the video all the way through the canyon, and who knows, maybe we'll run some video processing on it, see if we can enrich the color as we get done with it. But it is absolutely amazing down here. Probably one of the coolest pieces of interstate highway that I've been through in my lifetime. Granted, I haven't been east and west a lot, but north-south, going through to Nevada, this is always one of the, to me, the most scenic parts of the drive. So I'm going to shut up and just roll the video. Dang, some rutty lanes here. This is bad. I kind of don't want to be in this lane. I'm going to move over. It's crappy. Good God, that is crappy. From all the semis tearing up the road. We have these cool plateaus and flat red rocks. It's one of the only parts of the country where this red rock is present. Obviously the Grand Canyon as well, but down here in St. George, Utah, and on further southward, kind of through this area, and then it dissipates again. There's a little bit of the red rock down in Nevada, close to Vegas, but this seems to be the most of it. It's crazy how they cut right through the canyon here to make the road. I know, let's just cut it apart. We're going straight through this son of a bitch. Crosswinds next 9 miles. I can feel it on the truck a little bit, pushing me around. Not much, but I don't know if it's picking it up on the microphone, but I can hear it as we push through it. Coming down in my ears. A little bit of pressure release coming down the hill. reds will show. It's much better to witness this in person if you get a chance to drive through on this I-15, going north or south. It's, like I said, it's probably the prettiest drive that I've ever taken on any interstate. You got all the farmland and the prairies and the mountains and, whatever, but this Red Rock is something else. Martian. It's got that whole red Mars, red planet thing going on down here. Alright, get your trailer on the road there, bubs. Don't need you breaking loose, spinning out, ruining my trip. "97 miles to Vegas, 18 miles to Mesquite." Never been to Littlefield, I don't know what that is. 10 miles there though. Alright, steep for the next 4 miles. Here we go. This is where we make up on some of that gas mileage in the truck. Not really. Still only getting about 15 to 16. Coming up here. Look at the angles in that rock. It's just crazy, the diagonal cut in the canyon. I think those would be more level, but they're not. Elevation 2,000. I think we were up at about 4,000 up on the Utah floor up there in the plateau. All the way down from Salt Lake, it's pretty level, so there's a few hills down in there coming into St. George. I've never actually looked at the elevation, but I see we just passed the 2,000 foot mark. Out of it down here in a minute. Looks like some people are enjoying the river. Okay. You don't need to brake check me just because you're going slow. I'll give you room. I'm not trying to crowd you. I don't think he intentionally did that, but he slowed way down for some reason. And we are out. Now we're on the Nevada desert floor here pretty soon. I think we're almost up to the Nevada state line. Okay, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya.